All right, year 4. This week we are talking mottos. So on most crests, you'll see that they have a few really strong, powerful words. These can usually either be just a couple of words on their own, like our school one is, advancement, determination, and faith, or sometimes they can be really short sentences. Like at the school that I went to, our motto was by effort and faith. So they can be a really short, sharp sentence, or they can be a few words that we put together. The thing about mottos is that they tell us something about what we believe in. So I'm going to read you the definition of motto just so that you get an idea of what that actually means. So a motto is a short sentence or phrase chosen to encapsulate the beliefs or ideals of an individual, a family, or an institution. So an institution would be something like school. So this one is about you. So they need to be really powerful words that tell me something about you and what you believe in. So advancement, determination, and faith is a really strong and powerful one that our school uses. These aren't like soft words. They're strong, they're powerful, they're hard, and they mean something. If you've got a word that you really want to use, but you don't feel like it's like strong enough for a motto, what you can do is have a look at it in the thesaurus. I'm pretty sure you would have used thesauruses in class before. And they basically tell us the synonyms of that word, words that mean the same thing. And you can have a look at some of those words to suggest some ideas for your motto. If you were going to use a word like family or, I don't even know what else, effort, things like that, they're all really strong, powerful words. You don't really want to have more than 3 or 4 words on your motto. Otherwise, when you write it, it becomes a little bit hard to read. Have a think about some of the words that you can use to represent you and represent yourself that are really strong, powerful words that mean something. And tell me something about you and what you believe in. This week and next week, what I would like you to do, so this is the instructions for not just this week, but for next week as well. What I want you to do is basically make a draft. So this will be your final drawing of your crest before we work on, hopefully, it at school. And what you are going to need to do is get at least an A4 piece of paper, so the normal size paper that we would draw on at school. I want you to draw your crest as big as you can fit on that page, okay? And you need to make sure that you have included the shape of your crest, the banner, a motto, and at least 3 symbols. Remember we said 3 to 6, so you can have 3 symbols, you can have 4 symbols, you can have 5 symbols, you can have 6 symbols, but you cannot have 2 and you cannot have 7. So your banner, I'm going to say it again, your banner, your motto, your crest shape, your symbols, and it needs to be fully colored in exactly how you would want to do it as a big final artwork. This is your last practice one. So that's why I'm giving you 2 weeks to work on it, because I really want you to take your time, be thorough, put in a lot of effort, and do a really good job. Remember, I want you to make it as big as you can on that piece of paper. Do your best. If you want, you can send me a photo 1 week, and then I can give you some feedback and you can draw another one, up to you. But I want to see one perfect, wonderful draft, exactly how you would do your good copy if you were doing a giant one and painting it, okay? Hopefully I'll hear from you soon. I can't wait to see what your drafts for your final crests will look like with all of those symbols, your motto, your banners, colored and everything. It's a lot to think about in one artwork. Do your best. Let me know how you go.